Hi Dad, for now this is the day of my graduation and I'm grateful for all the things that you did. For example, you enrolled me to my dream university. You fulfilled all the things that I needed the most, especially when it comes to my assignments and performance stuff. And let's not forget, you're the one who's paying the, let's call it, tuition and all the event fees. I love you, Dad, and keep safe and take care neither on your work.
Love you. Good afternoon. Welcome to my channel. This is Alvera Sugalia signing off. Today is the Completers Day, June 13, 2024. Ayan, graduating na ang aming bunsod. So, 2:30 ang formation namin. So, sa canteen muna kami. So, ayan ang aming mukha. Naka-dress tayo, guys. Kasi, bawal ang naka-chinelas. Alam nyo naman ako, chinelas. So, bawal. So, shoes tayo. Naka-dress. Tapos, ang aking bag. Ayan, naka-guest tayo ngayon. Muna tayo. Antay natin. Kukunin na lang namin ang invitation. Okay, please like, share, comment. Thank you and congratulations sa aking palalag. Lala, congrats. Completers na si Lala. Ano sabihin mo sa viewers? Ano sabihin mo sa viewers?
Ha?
Ano sabihin mo sa viewers?
Thank you sa support na pagiging
Laging manonood.
laging schedule sa activities.
Sabi mo, senior life ka.
Ano na ako grade 10?
Okay, guys. Ayan, welcome parents and student. Ayan ang student ko. Okay. Completers of the day sila ngayon. Kulang sila. Kulang sila ng 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. Ayan, official photographer. Aba, nasa yearbook kayo.
Kita pag sinuot niya, mag-peso ka sana mo, siyempre proud na dyan. Kahit ang camera mo, yung ano, isang mo lang. Pag naayos, saka mo siya ihaga, yan, ayos na. Okay. Ganun na. Kayo natin.
Ayan. Yoko! Ayan, official photographer nila ng kanilang yearbook.
Yeah. Nice one. Then this time, di ba nakatingin kayo dito sa loob nila? Alright?
Ayan, official photographer ng kanilang yearbook ay nakuhaan sila po. Di ba? Saya ng nanay.
Ready? And 3, 2, 1, go! Happy lang!
Wala ko kayo
ano, kulang. Nasaan na ba? Ayan, official photographer nila. Kulang na naman sila ng 3.
Okay, thank you.
Salamat! Si teacher. Buntutan niyo si teacher. Alo, pawis na, hulas. Tingnan mo si Bunso. Distribution of the invitation. Happy smile. Si daddy mo.
Dark kasi.
Oo.
Wala nang ilaw.
Wala na. Okay, may mga parents na tayo ribbon, di ba? Kasi mamaya wala na tayo, tunaw na tayo. Kompleto na sila. Mga laki na. Ayan na sila. Kompleto na. Ayan si Ate Joanna. Hi! Ate Joanna, congrats! Kaya, kunin na shoes. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Hi. Oh, di. Tingin dito sa tita. 1, 2, 3, go. Anak, smile. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. Ano tayo mamaya-maya? Formation na na. Makikita na lang natin yan. Yan na lang. Hindi na tayo makakuha niyan. Ayoko.
Thank you. Thank you. Remember.
Sanchez Alagas from PIL, Loyalty Award, Gold Medal, with honors, Bronze Medal.
Best Fire ADME, JR SSC Service Award, Gold Medal. Performing Arts Award, Bronze Medal. Lorenza Asis A. With honors. With honors. Bronze honors. Bronze medal. Angela D. Here, facilitator of honor. Hero M. With honors. With honors. Bronze medal. Donato Carlson. With honors. Cecilia Maria Ophelia B. With honors. Bronze medal. Honors. Bronze medal. With honors. Bronze medal. G. Loyal Service Award, Gold Medal.
Ayan na si Pea. Ayan na si Pea.
Modesto
Pia.
Gold. Noble.
Impressive. She completed her Doctor of Medicine and Bachelor of Science in Medical Technology at the University of Santo Tomas, where she was
Alright, bebe. Congrats, nak. Thank you. Ayan na, tapos na kami. Bigayan na ng flowers. Kasi,
Thank you, Victor. You may now be
thank
seated.
you so much.
in deep gratitude